Look up at the night sky. It's a vast expanse of mystery and wonder, a canvas painted with countless stars and celestial bodies. The moon, our constant companion, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its presence is a comforting beacon in the darkness, a silent guardian watching over us. Its gentle glow illuminates our nights, casting a serene light that transforms the world below. The moon's gravity governs our tides, creating a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Its presence marks the passage of time, a celestial clock that has guided human civilization through the ages. But what if, in a cosmic twist, we swapped our moon for another celestial body? Imagine the night sky with a different companion, a new celestial neighbor. What if Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, took the moon's place? Mercury, with its rocky surface and extreme temperatures, would present a stark contrast to the familiar face of our moon. The moon, a desolate yet beautiful sphere, holds a profound influence over our planet. Its barren landscape tells a story of cosmic history, a silent witness to the universe's grand design. Its gravitational pull dictates the ebb and flow of our tides, creating a rhythmic dance of the oceans that has shaped coastlines and ecosystems for billions of years. This tidal force is a crucial element in the delicate balance of our planet's environment. Beyond its physical effects, the moon has served as a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and dreamers. Its ethereal glow has ignited imaginations across cultures, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and music. Its presence in the night sky has been a muse for creativity, a symbol of mystery and romance. People have gazed at the moon in wonder, contemplating their place in the universe and dreaming of what lies beyond. Mercury, a small rocky world, is the closest planet to the Sun. Its proximity to the Sun gives it unique characteristics that set it apart from other celestial bodies in our solar system. This small planet is a stark contrast to our Moon. While the Moon is a familiar sight in our night sky, Mercury remains elusive, often hidden in the Sun's glare. Mercury is a planet of extremes, with scorching daytime temperatures reaching up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and frigid nights plunging to minus 330 degrees. Its rapid orbit around the Sun, completing a year in just 88 Earth days, adds to its unique nature. Its surface, scarred by countless craters, reflects the violence of the early solar system. These craters, some of which are hundreds of miles wide, tell a story of a turbulent past filled with collisions and impacts. Imagine this tiny, sun-baked world replacing our familiar moon. The night sky would look drastically different, with Mercury's reflective surface shining brightly. The moon, a quarter the size of Earth, pales in comparison to Mercury, which is nearly half our planet's diameter. This size difference would be immediately noticeable. This significant difference in size would have dramatic consequences for Earth if Mercury were to take the Moon's place. The increased gravitational pull from Mercury would affect tides, potentially leading to more extreme tidal patterns. The immediate impact would be gravitational, a force that shapes the very fabric of our solar system. The altered gravitational dynamics could influence Earth's rotation and orbit, leading to long-term climatic and environmental changes. The gravitational pull of Mercury is much stronger than the Moon's. This would result in significantly higher tides, with ocean levels rising and falling dramatically. Coastal cities would face a constant threat of flooding, and the delicate balance of marine ecosystems would be disrupted. Imagine coastlines redrawn, cities submerged, and the rhythm of the tides amplified to an almost unbelievable degree. This is the immediate consequence of Mercury's increased gravitational pull. But the effects wouldn't be limited to our oceans. The very land beneath our feet would feel the strain. The increased gravitational influence would also affect Earth's orbit around the Sun. Our planet's path, currently a stable ellipse, would become more erratic. This could lead to more extreme seasons with scorching summers and frigid winters. The stability of our climate, a delicate balance of solar radiation and atmospheric conditions, would be thrown into disarray. The regular seasons we take for granted could become a distant memory, but perhaps the most striking change would be in the sky above. Mercury is much closer to the Sun than the Moon, and its surface reflects more sunlight. A Mercury moon would appear significantly brighter in our night sky, casting an almost daylight-like glow. This constant illumination would disrupt sleep patterns, confuse nocturnal animals, and forever alter our relationship with the night. Imagine stepping outside on a cloudless night and being bathed in the brilliant light of Mercury. The stars, normally visible in their billions, would be washed out by its brilliance. Our nights, once a time for rest and reflection, would become almost indistinguishable from day. Solar eclipses would also be more frequent and dramatic. Mercury's larger size would completely block out the sun, creating longer periods of darkness and plunging Earth into an eerie twilight. These events, while visually stunning, could disrupt photosynthesis and have cascading effects on ecosystems. The familiar sight of a solar eclipse, a celestial ballet of shadow and light, would take on a new and awe-inspiring dimension. Mercury's shadow, larger and more encompassing than the Moon's, would engulf entire continents, casting them into darkness for extended periods. The combined effects of Mercury's gravity and increased solar radiation would have profound consequences for Earth's climate. The delicate balance that supports life as we know it could be irrevocably disrupted, leading to unpredictable weather patterns, rising sea levels, and mass extinctions. The polar ice caps, already melting at an alarming rate, would vanish entirely. Coastlines would be redrawn as sea levels rise, displacing millions. The delicate web of life, interconnected and interdependent, would be pushed to its breaking point. Life on Earth has an incredible capacity for adaptation. Over billions of years, it has weathered countless challenges, from asteroid impacts to ice ages. But the rapid and dramatic changes brought about by a Mercury moon would present an unprecedented challenge. Could life as we know it survive such a dramatic upheaval? Could species adapt quickly enough to cope with extreme tides, altered seasons, and a constantly illuminated sky? The answer, unfortunately, is far from certain. If life were to endure, it would be a testament to its resilience. Imagine a world where humans and other species have adapted to the challenges of a Mercury-dominated sky. Coastal cities might be built on stilts, agriculture might rely on artificial light, and our understanding of time and seasons would be forever altered. Our relationship with the universe would be forever changed. The night sky, once a source of wonder and inspiration, would become a constant reminder of the immense forces at play in our solar system. The hypothetical scenario of Mercury replacing the Moon is a fascinating thought experiment. It serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that governs our planet and the intricate dance of celestial mechanics. The profound influence celestial bodies have on our existence cannot be overstated. From the tides influenced by the Moon to the seasons dictated by Earth's orbit around the Sun, every aspect of our lives is intertwined with the cosmos. While such an event as Mercury replacing the Moon is highly unlikely, it offers a unique perspective on the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of the universe. The awe-inspiring power of the cosmos is a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us appreciate the familiar glow of our moon, which has been a constant companion to Earth for billions of years. Its presence brings stability to our world, influencing everything from the ocean tides to the rhythms of life itself. The moon's phases have guided human civilization for millennia, marking the passage of time and inspiring countless myths and legends. It is a reminder that even in the vastness of space, where distances are measured in light years and the scale of events is beyond human comprehension, even the smallest of changes can have profound consequences. The universe is a delicate tapestry, and each thread plays a crucial role in the grand design.